Oh, man. Testing. Are we back? Are we live? That was fun. Testing. Testing 1, 2. Hey, are we back? Man, I hate it when that happens. We just got power outage, which I need to update some things. All right, we're back. We're back. That was a power outage. Not sure what's going on. Power outage, and unfortunately, I have not gotten a battery pack for my internet, which I need to do ASAP. That's kind of irresponsible to not have an internet backup, an internet battery backup when I'm copy trading 44 accounts. That's pretty bad. And look at that. I wish I was still in this trade, to be honest. I wish I was still in this trade, but we're not. So I guess we can't be too mad. We're back. We're back. Glacier Gains, best guess, Wall Street. Thanks for coming back. Oh, man. All right, let me... I think we're going to get another setup today. So we just got to wait. You know what? I wanted to test something. Hey, Eric, M. Susan. Good to see you, M. Susan. Ah, suddenly I got tested. Oh, no, it took you to Top Step TV? That's unacceptable, M. Susan. I apologize. I apologize. That's unacceptable. Yeah, we had an internet outage. Or a power outage that caused my internet to go out. All right, I need to... Man. Now we're just kind of, I mean, we're just grinding slowly higher here. I mean, technically, the problem is here, I don't really want to be taking entries when I need to have at least 10, 15 points from the highs at least. I mean, I don't want to, let me check here. I guess it is kind of. Yeah, there she goes. This is where I mean, I don't know, whatever. You know that 680 is going to hit. That 680 is going to hit. Hey, Scout Bill, we're back. We had an internet outage. Yeah, NQ just seems like we're in the slow down mode right now. Good morning, everyone, again. Clarity Trader, good morning. Ace Undercover, how we doing? Look at that, man. NQ's starting to get a little temperamental here. Hey, Di Lorenzo, good morning again. I mean, maybe we get a pullback into the 21 EMA that we can get an entry. How have you found having volume on the chart is one of the CVDs? How have you found Sam Owen? I mean, honestly, I don't use the volume that much. I guess I do look at it, but that's about it. Yeah, now we're getting a little bit deeper pullback here. I am totally okay just being patient here. Maybe we get an entry off the 5-minute 21. All the way down here, the 610s. Volatility is still decent, pretty decently high here. All right, continue to pull back. We might get her. We might test this 21, the 5-minute 21 here. Hey, Quick Gaming. I am trading with Ninja. I have Apex accounts by Rhythmic. I want to buy Lucid accounts. Can I use Tradeovate? No. So if you want to use Ninja, if you have Ninja Trader, if you already have Rhythmic accounts, that's okay. Just don't get more Rhythmic accounts. Get a Tradeovate account from Lucid, and then you can connect both to Ninja Trader at the same time. You can only have one Rhythmic connection. You can have multiple Tradeovate connections with Ninja Trader. Now we just wait and see if we can get this. Want to see a bigger pullback here. Come on. Hey, no problem, Quick Gaming. No problem. I mean, almost need to take. I mean, if we get an entry above this, this would still be. I prefer we test the 21 EMA here, but if we don't, how many days does it usually take for you to get a payout on a new 150K PA account? Keith Kane. I mean, that is very largely dependent on just how aggressive I'm going to be. So these accounts that I'm currently trading, I am expecting 3 months. I'm expecting that it is going to take me 3 months to get to a payout on these accounts. That's what I'm telling myself, and or that's what I'm preparing myself for. And I'm okay with that. Okay, about to test this 21 EMA on the 5-minute. See if we get a setup. I mean, right now we have to take this right here. All right, we just gotta wait now. See if we get filled. See if we get it. See if we get filled. All right, we might get filled right here. No, oof. You took a beautiful trade with a copy trader off, and then you take another great trade only to realize they traded 1 micro instead of a mini. Talk about the definition of a Monday. Oh man, that sounds rough. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. Good to see you. Yogi Bark, Tech 11. Thanks for coming back, guys. Had some technical difficulties. Last week, I won a take private trader in your duck race. I am a friend of slowly but surely, but what will happen with the eval after 30 days? Will I have to pay the full amount? I think they actually give you 60 days, not 30. So you should have 60 days to pass if you need it. It should tell you actually in your dashboard when the rebilling date is. Oh, wow, look at this. Well, I am very thankful we didn't get filled. So if we close, I mean, this can still trigger us. So I'm going to keep my order where I have it. But that's not exactly a great looking candle right here. Not great. And good luck on Take Profit Trader on that account. Good luck. Hey, good morning, Niles. Anyone know cost to fund Lucid 50K? I mean, you should. Right now, Lucid came out with 25K accounts. So they're running a special deal on 25K accounts. 45% off on 25K accounts on the evals and 30% off on 30% off on the direct to funded accounts. Have you had a chat with Kevin yet? On what, Dabda? And this is starting to look, I mean, we might, if we close below the 21 EMA here, then we no longer have a setup. And we got 30 seconds for this to get at least want to see a wick here if we get an entry. And if we get a wick, then my entry would be technically right here. But it's not looking good. Yeah, I mean, this is... All right, I guess now we wait. That's not ideal. We're rounding it over. This is looking like we're going lower, man. Crazy. All right, all the way down below the 600s now, 590s. Now I don't want to be a part of this, that's for sure. This is actually a very good okay. This is actually good for my brain. So, for example, my entry was right here. My original stop was right here at the 587s. And had I not trailed my stop here, I would definitely not be okay with taking a full stop after a move all the way up to the 660s, sixes. So I think I know the answer of what I'm going to do about my trailing stops. I think I know the answer. I think we're going to have at a certain ticks or points, once we're at a certain amount of points in profit, and I've hit my first target, my stop will go to break even. And then I just, that's what I have to be okay with. Levi Rodriguez. Yeah, the 666s and a half. Wow, look at this dump now, guys. Wow. Big rip lower now. I mean, testing the VWAP here. Wow. That's a big ripper. Now I feel like we're not getting another setup today. I mean, honestly, right now, we are probably more likely to get a short setup than we are to get a long setup at this point. In order to get another long setup, we would have to make new highs and then get a pullback to the EMAs. That's the only way we get a long setup after this move. Not looking good. That's an interesting move. The daily candle, I mean, not looking that bad. You got to remember, we've got the gap fill all the way down here, the 227s. I mean, it would be shocking if we would do a gap fill, but I don't know, man. Yeah, I feel like it's time for golf. No, I actually need to go. I probably should just call it a day. I need to go and do I still have 3 more pieces of furniture to assemble. I actually need to go get some, I need to go make it run into, I need to go get some stuff. I'm currently have Kevin assembling some nightstands. That's a good time. So, I have plenty of work to do. I should probably just call it a day here, walk away, and I don't think we're going to get a setup here. I really, yeah, I'm starting to reevaluate some things here, but I don't want to jump the gun either. We might get a bounce here off the VWAP, but short fade was the setup, Captain Price. Yeah, once we struggled to get above that 660s, and we started to just do this kind of choppy, slow move here. And be curious to see if we get a move here. And down below the VWAP now. Man, it's starting to feel like we're just gonna slowly bleed lower. We just gonna go lower, huh? Yeah, we might continue the chop too. Hey, Trade Warrior Hub, good to see you. Good morning. Hey, Dadnator. Actually, that's what I need to do, Dadnator. I need to go buy a battery backup for my internet. I 100% need to do that. And I think I know where to go. Actually, you know what? Does Sarasota have a micro center? Let's see. Wait. I don't see. Does micro center? There is no micro center in Florida? It doesn't look like it. That is unfortunate. Well, Best Buy would probably have what I need. Yeah, London is closing. Yep. There is one micro center store in Florida located in Miami, Google says. Oh, I see. I was looking on their website. The Blue Yeti Elite version 2. Oh, yeah, true. Wow, look at this. We really are just going to keep going lower. We are officially below the VWAP. Did not even get much of a move here off the VWAP. Yeah, we probably don't get another entry here. I mean, there is a chance we get a short entry maybe in an hour or two, but right now, it doesn't look like we're going to get an entry. And I'm okay with that. I guess we call it a day and just walk away with a small green day. But I guess a small green day is better than a red day. I guess it is. Circuit City still exists. I see. Circuit City? Okay, I might search that. We are below the 520s now, testing the 510s. Wow, look at this. Man, we're really going lower. Testing the 500s now. Wow. Wow. Circuit City's now Best Buy. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it here tomorrow. it looks like tomorrow we can do some more Take Profit Trader account giveaways. We can do that tomorrow. Also, I wanted to mention this. Hang on. I want to mention this. Someone sent me an email. You know who you are. Someone sent me a very, I would say very kind email and reminding me to do a better job of reviewing the Tradeify Grand Cup. He thought I wasn't reviewing the Tradeify Grand Cup because I was no longer in it, which is a fair assumption. But in my defense, the real reason I kind of lost interest in the Grand Cup was just when they consolidated the NBT team. They consolidated that team with 4 other teams, and I don't know who's on my team now. It's kind of frustrating, but I still want to review our team, and I just want to see if anyone of you is still actually on. Is anyone of you in the chat? I guess raise your hand or yell if one of this is you. So we are currently in 8th place. Again, this is multiple teams combined into one. Tyler, TFC, and Wolf, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I don't know the rest. I don't know who these people are. But this is our team. We're not doing too bad for only having 130 traders left. I mean, that's not terrible. Now, what I want to know is any one of these, you guys, I'm sure, like, I'm curious which one is you. It was insulting to that guy. He's still in there. How do I join a team? I am still in it. I'm not sure that you can switch team now. I don't think you can. So you are currently locked in and you can't change it. But we've got Damien in first place. We've got Dylan in second, Dunver, Sharada, Toter. We have Justice. I was trying to find some names that Tyler trades. I feel like that's a Jose Drigo. I do know Black Coffee Trader. Shout out to Black Coffee Trader. At least he was on the leaderboard. Let me find him. He's somewhere here, I thought. Did I overlook him? Oh no, did I have bad timing? Please no. Did I jinx it? Hey, Hard Hat Trading. Now there's a name I recognize. Hard Hat Trading. Black Coffee Trader. There we go. Black Coffee Trader representing the NBT team. 28th place. Let's go. Round of applause for Black Coffee. He's going to carry us to the win. Let's go. So Black Coffee Trader, definitely we know him. Moneymaker. I mean, I'm trying to find names that add up, but right now Black Coffee Trader should be only the bottom 30% will be knocked out today. So if we look at the leaderboard, they're only the top 4,828 will make it to tomorrow. So that should be interesting. He should be fine. I mean, he's in the top. Be careful what I expect of you. I expect great things, Black Coffee. Take home the win. Okay, you're 838th overall. Hey, you're in good shape. You're doing way better than I am. So congratulations, Black Coffee. And anyone else on the NBT team, still in this representing MBT team. I do appreciate it. Congratulations. I wish there was a way I could sort it so I could only see people that, you know, joined the NBT team, but unfortunately, I just can't do that. So it is what it is. All right, market continuing to sell off here. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to go to town, get some stuff done. I'm going to assemble more furniture today. Right now, my goal is by Wednesday of this week, I am going to be done assembling furniture. And I think we should be officially kind of settled in. At least that's my goal. And I'm hoping this week I can go play some golf. I want to go play some golf. I haven't golfed in 5 weeks. I'm having withdrawal symptoms. Okay, yeah, Sneaky Tube, thanks. I'm good. I mean, there's a small chance that we get it set up this afternoon, and if we do, I might take it. I'll update you guys at the end of the day on the recap video, but for now, at least for now, I'm going to call it, and we'll be back tomorrow morning, guys. Sorry for the internet outage this morning. It was unfortunate, but hopefully we can get that fixed today. All right, guys, take care. I appreciate every one of you. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.